If you suspect that your phone calls are being monitored, whether it's by a stalker, hacker, employer, parent, or law enforcement, there are several signs to watch out for. One indication is if your phone battery drains quickly or gets hot, as spyware can cause this. Another sign is if your data usage suddenly increases, which could mean someone is using your data through a tap. If your phone lights up or behaves erratically without your input, it could be controlled remotely. An influx of ads or unfamiliar apps on your phone may also indicate a tap. Additionally, if your camera or microphone turns on unexpectedly, it's possible that someone is watching or listening. Look out for unfamiliar administrator or manager profiles on your phone, as well as physical signs such as devices or wires near your phone or phone jack, or tampering with your outside phone box. It's important to be aware of these signs and take appropriate action to protect your privacy.